Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make iPhone alarm louder. So if you want to increase your iPhone alarm volume, but you don't know how to go about this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is, you want to go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, and then click on Sounds and Haptics. Under Sounds and Haptics, increase the volume from ringtone and alert to the maximum. So increase this to the maximum, and once you increase that to the maximum, that's the first thing you want to do to make sure that the alarm tone you set increases its volume to the maximum. Then again, if you want your iPhone to stop using the volume button to reduce or increase the volume, as this might affect the alarm volume level, then go ahead and disable change with button. So whenever you have change with button disabled, whether you press the side button, the volume up button, or the volume down button on your phone, each time you have an incoming call, this will not be able to affect the volume level of your iPhone. So, and again, or the last attempt to make sure that your iPhone alarm volume remains steady is scroll down, click on Face ID and passcode, type in your iPhone passcode. Now you want to scroll down the page, keep scrolling, locate attention aware feature. If this feature is enabled, make sure you disable this feature. The answer of this is, when you enable attention aware feature and your iPhone rings, whether alarm or incoming calls, and the moment the phone checks or it feels the presence of your body or hands, then this is going to reduce the volume of the ringtone or alarm drastically. So to make sure you increase your alarm volume, just make sure you disable attention aware under Face ID and passcode. And after that, when your iPhone alarm rings, then it should have it at the maximum volume. So that is basically how to make iPhone alarm louder. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.